Okay, Birds of War. Oh, I have an egg crate? Give me something good, baby. It's gonna be dog shit. Oh no, I wanted a chain, not border art, you fucking asshole. I can't get the seagull, the owl, or the seagull, the owl, or the eagle. It's either pigeon, hummingbird, shoebill, or crow. I feel like crow is what we're gonna start with, and then we might go to hummingbird just because harasser is fucking hilarious. What do you mean by harasser?
Go on then, Private.
Oh wait, why does this actually feel bad? Motherfucker said quiet on a creek.
They've got our egg. Get
Holy
it back.
shit. Yeah, we're cooked. We have 0 eggs. What are we doing? Why are you even coming towards here? I guess because he had an egg. That makes sense.
Enemies making a comeback. Don't let them.
Why'd I hit the wall? I don't want to hit the wall.
You caught their egg. Now get it home.
I don't want to get killed 2 times. I'm getting fucked up. Oh.
Enemy streak.
How is he, like, how am I, what? What am I doing wrong? He just picked at the fucking ground. What am I doing? Why is this so difficult? I thought this was gonna be, like, fun.
Enemies making a comeback.
How did we let them take both of our fucking eggs, boys? What are we talking about? Okay. No, that works. We're chilling. That's exactly what I wanted to happen.
I'm
not
surprised.
Out of my lobby.
Oh, Woozy, my boy.
My
Woozy,
favorite femboy down
My
that
boy.
jet.
Hey,
My
who's
favorite
your
man
daddy?
leaver. My favorite man
Woozy,
leaver down
oh,
that jet. You my
What the fuck? Try a different bird this time. Try the shoebill. Give me that. We're going right over here.
You caught their egg. Now get it home.
I already stole one, twin. You're kind of cooked, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, these kids are getting shit on them.
Get it home.
Give me that.
Defend the nest, you absolute
Fuck.
clowns.
I'm trying, man. God damn. Call me a clown? The
Egg secure. Keep get it home.
Give me that. Do we just
It's
fucking
a
tie?
draw. Somehow.
God damn. Alright, this is kind of fun. I mean, for a $10 game, I'm not too mad about it. Like, the first round I was like, man. The second round I'm kind of feeling it a bit more. It says they have different game modes, though. That's the one thing I'm like, where's the other game modes? I got killed by OnlyFans.
Enemy.
Why not something clever? Why not like only birds? Only cocks? Like, that would be funny. Oh, nice. Am I alone? No, we just got down
Enemy
bad
streak.
Chad doing
Shut
jack
them
shit.
down.
Get there! Get there! Oh, he killed my ass.
It's down. Get it back.
How? What are you talking about? Yeah, now we're cooked. I might as well just keep going and getting fucked up.
Signal jam.
Should I be dashing through them? That's the one thing I don't get. How did I not get more than one fucking kill there? I have more
Defend
deaths
the
than
nest,
anybody.
you. Enemies making a comeback. The enemy has our egg. Get it down. 1 minute remaining.
We're gonna get there. We got one egg. We got 2 seconds left. We'll figure it out.
Defeat.
Maybe not. Oh, give me something good. Yay, another border art. Oh my gosh, it's the same thing I just fucking had. Word. Let's try something besides the shoe bill again. We're just gonna go with the fucking pigeon. Please. For the love of fuck, just close your
Battle
mouth.
commences in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get the eggs and get out. Our team has an egg. Get it home. They've got our egg. Get it back.
You touch no one.
You've caught their egg. Now get it home. We've secured an egg. Don't get cocky.
Hell yeah.
Get back. You've got an egg. Go, go, go.
Let's get it! Drop that egg off!
Our team. You've caught their egg. Now get it home. We've secured enough eggs to win this thing. Well done, privates.
Let's go.
Victory!
GG's! Wow, a giraffe banner! Fuck, it's almost like I already have that. We'll play a little more of this. We'll play 1 or 2 more. So far, I've done the best with the pigeon. This is just the same people as last round. To be fair, there's not that many people playing this game. Hi. Fuck! We've got their egg, and I'm getting it home!
Egg secured. Keep raiding. Enemy streak. Shut them down.
Huh.
We've lost
Hell
an egg.
yeah.
Enemies making a comeback. Don't let them.
We're
You
locked.
caught their egg. Now,
Oh.
we have been defeated.
Yikes,
I'm
we are
not
not locked.
surprised.
Holy fuck. You're not surprised? Don't roast me like that. That's not very nice, man.
First blood. They've got our egg. Get it
Yeah.
back.
Aw.
Now get
Thanks
it home.
for the egg, bitch. Y'all suck. Ah.
You've caught their egg. Now get it home.
Yo, just letting y'all know, Red's handing the eggs out. Just walk over and take one. They don't give a damn. Fuck. Level 55 is cooked. Get a job. Holy shit. Can't touch these stand. Aww. Alrighty. Well, I tried.
The enemy has our egg. Bring them down.
Okay. Yeah, we're just, yeah. What the fuck was that? I just bounced. Metal is no trampoline last time I checked.
Stop it.
Enemies making a comeback.
egg.
Don't let them.
Alright, we got this, boys.
We've grabbed an egg.
Yo, Bird Balls,
Intercept.
you might be the biggest pussy in this game.
Yeah, 100%. Definitely the best pigeon in the game.
Egg carrier spotted. Take them down.
How the
1
fuck does he
minute
keep getting
remaining.
health back like that? I hit him multiple times and he never lost health.
You've caught their egg. Now
Thanks for the egg, bitch. No.
Defeat.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Man, y'all really play objective hard. as
Hard
fuck.
carry, y'all.
I am hard. How do you know that?